If you have a lot of experience, your resume might be hurting you. Most people use AI to improve everything, but hiring managers don't reward completeness. They reward clarity. So use AI as an editor, not a writer. Use a prompt like this one to ask AI what to remove rather than add. You can use any Gen AI tool for something like this. For a quick demo today, I'll open Claude and start a new chat. I can either paste content or attach documents. Today, I'm going to click and drag the files from File Explorer. I'll paste the prompt that you can find in the video notes below, and I'll hit enter to see what it suggests. It thinks a little, and I see its honest response, with the biggest concerns being some older roles, dated skills, and some skills that are buried. This gives me clear areas where I can improve my resume. From here, I can use specific prompts to work on edits in the areas that have been highlighted, and I can remove or improve the content. See the job search playlist for longer videos on using AI to improve your resume.